Okay, so here is another question that looks at nominal and effective interest rates. So let's start with part A. Find the effective annual interest rate equivalent to a nominal rate of 6% payable every 6 months. This question is a little bit confusing only because it really should say over here, nominal rate of 6% per annum. Okay, so now that we know that, we can find out the effective rate. So basically, if this is 6% per annum nominally, and it's payable every 6 months, we should try and find out the effective rate that you're going to be receiving every 6 months. So all you have to do to that is take 0.06 divided by the frequency that you're compounding, and you're going to get your effective 6 monthly rate of 3%. Then with that, we can find out the effective annual interest rate. So we'll just take an amount, $1, multiply by 1.03, or 1 plus the interest rate, and then we'll compound it twice and get rid of that initial 1. And let's see what we get. So it's going to be 1.03 squared minus 1, and that looks to be 6.09%. Okay, so 0.609, which equals 6.09% or 6.1%, whatever you want to call it. And that is the effective annual interest rate when your effective 6 monthly rate is 3% or your nominal rate paid annually is 6%. So it's not actually 6%, the nominal and effective are very different, a little bit different, as you can see. Alright, part B. Find the nominal interest rate per annum. This per annum bit's very important because I missed it first time I looked at this question. Payable every 6 months, which is equivalent to an effective interest rate of 6% per annum. So let's start from the end and say, alright, we have 0.06%, and some rate, that's going to equal, that's what we want to try and get to, but we're going to use some rates. So we've got 1 plus some interest rate, and this is the nominal interest rate payable per annum every 6 months. But since this is an annum rate and it's nominal, we can divide it by 2. So this is going to be the effective 6 month rate, compounded every 6 months, and then we'll minus the 1. And let's see what we get over here. So we're going to have to go backwards, and it's going to become, to get this I by itself, we're going to go 1.06 because we're going to add 1 to both sides. It's going to be to the power of a half to get rid of this power of 2. Then we'll minus 1, and then we'll be able to times it by 2. Okay, so let's see. We've got 1.06 to the power of a half is that, minus 1 is this amount. It looks to be almost 3%, but we want to know the nominal interest rate per annum, and this is a nominal interest rate half yearly. And so then we'll just multiply it by 2, and then we get 5.91%. 5.91, exactly the way we want it. And that's how you solve the problem.